Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best electrical connectors that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Electrical Connectors. Waterproof Heat Shrink Wire Connector Kit offers all the essential heat shrink connections without breaking the bank. This small but versatile kit has an extensive selection of 9 connector types for various kinds of wires. With smart design it prevents wiring failures while reducing equipment downtime. The thick tin copper barrels increase current flow with less voltage. Number 10. King Innovation 95015 Illumicon Wire Connector. 2 ports allow conductors to remain separate, permitting the lug to run at a lower temperature and provide longer-term reliability. Most cost-effective solution. Main features. Made in the USA. Mechanical connection. Aluminum wiring systems. Number 9. King Innovation 95110 3-port aluminum copper 10-pack wire connector. 3 ports allow conductors to remain separate, permitting the lug to run at a lower temperature and provide longer-term reliability. Main features. 3 ports allow conductors. Mechanical connection. Aluminum wiring systems. Number 8. Wire connectors Dumen 12 PCs 2-pin 2-way low voltage. The wire connectors perfect for all vehicle audio video speaker LED strip lights installation and other electrical equipments. It is widely used for various low voltage. Main features. Safe to use. Package includes suitable wire. Number 7. Pluggable LED wire connectors Dumen 12 PCs. Use the suitable wire compatibility to various of wire such as solid strand and flexible wire. Fits well for 22 and 24 gauge extension cable wire. Stranded and solid core electrical wires. Main features. Safe to use. Quick wire connector. Wide application. Number 6. Morris Products Direct Burial Lane Connectors. Complete with a stainless steel screw, this direct burial lane connector is KILLIS listed and L467 listed for direct burial and grounding bonding applications. Main features. High quality. Multiple purpose. Open face design. Number 5. Lever Nuts 75 pieces wire connector assortment pack. Lever Nut is a reusable and creative connector. If you need to change other wires, just flip the little lever up and pull out what you need and replace. Main features. Easy to use. High temperature. Universal compatibility. Number 4. Low voltage wire connectors Dumen 12 PCs 2-pin 2-way universal compact wire. 12 PCs 2-pin dual wire connector terminal not include wire scissors pliers. Free from electric shocking danger, slightly waterproof and dust-proof, reusable. Main features. Safe to use. Wide application. Quick wire connector. Number 3. WAGO Lever Nuts 32 PC compact splicing connector. WAGO lever nuts are a great way to connect stranded, fine stranded and solid wire from 24 to 12 AWG. Open the lever, insert the stripped wire, close the lever. Main features. Visual inspection. Splicing stranded. 32 WAGO lever. Number 2. 320 pieces twist-on wire connector assortment gray. Color-coded for easy size selection, reusable for easy circuit changes and additions. Even when applied to maximum wire combinations under extreme pressure. For use in electrical appliances. Main features. High quality. Easy size selection. Wiring 1000 volts. Number 1. Lokman 50-pack half-inch rope light P-style mounting clips. Perfect application for holding rope lights, cables, wires and electrical cord sorting indoor and outdoor. Such as home and kitchens, deck, stairs, patio, fence, big event. Main features. Stylish design. Widely used. High quality. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.